afternoon, everyone. Study class ma a homework सुरु दिएको थिएँ. So you can see here. जसलाई जरुरी होला ऊ मात्रै बोल्ने है. Okay, study question number 9 सम्म सिकाएको थिएँ. Up to question 9 on number 9. Is there any problem? Yes. कसैले कुनै problem छ? 9 number. चन्दन म त तिमीलाई माइक म्युट गर्न आउँदैन? Yes, up to question number 9 कसैले कुनै problem छ? You can ask.
So 10 number.
Question number 10 मा छ represent. Don't touch the mobile. Anyone? Represent the relation given in question number 9 by arrow diagram. First 9A number. 9A मा रहेको छ R1 equals to question number 10 गर्नु छ तर कसको बेसिसमा त 9 को बेसिसमा. ओके, question number 10 गर्ने तर गर्ने कसको बेसिसमा त 9 को बेसिसमा. सो 9 को A नम्बर नै हाम्रो 10 को A हुन जान्छ. 10A number there is given R1 equals to R1 equals to 1, 2, 3, 5. See 5, 4, 7 and 5, 9. 4. Okay, now we have to do in arrow diagram method. With the arrow diagram method, what we do? We have to make two sets. First set, second set. First set and second set. Here are first set ma x component राखौ 1, 3, 4 and 5. The first component 1. This is 3. This is 4 and this is 5. सबैको x component अगाडि लेख्ने र y component पछाडि लेख्ने. 5, 2, 5, 7 and 9. अब 1 को 2 सँग रिलेसन छ. 1 को 3 को 5 सँग, 4 को 7 सँग, 5 को 9 सँग रिलेसन रहेको छ. यहाँ हामी R1 लेखेका छौं. Like this, R1 first relation. This is called the arrow diagram. Arrow diagram. It is also called mapping diagram. You can say mapping diagram. So this is 10A number. Okay, next question. Next question.
Sir, once 9C D do na?
9D. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here is the 9D number. It is given the first relation R4 equals to PA QB RC and SD. It is said in the question the table method, graph method, and as well as in arrow diagram method also. So let's see. By table method, in X component, you can write the first component that is P, Q, R, and S is given. Right here, P, Q, R, and S. Similarly, in Y component, there is given A, B, C, and D. This is the by table method. Similarly, by graphical method, by graphical method, is X, there is Y, here we put the 0 origin. Now, the first number, yeah, right here P, X component, second ma Q, third ma R, the fourth ma S. Similarly, Y component ma ABCD like this only. The first A, then after B, then after C, and then after D. Now, the first one is given PA, we put here PA. Second cubic, Q P, here we put the cubic. R C, we put here R and C. S and D, and here we put S and D. Like this. This is the graphical method. And similarly, the 10D number. On the basis of 9D, we can do 10D also by arrow diagram method. Arrow diagram method or by mapping diagram also you can say. And that is, for that we have to make two different sets. First set, second set. So here in the X component, you can say P, Q, R, S, right here, P, Q, R, S. Similarly here, in second, is given A, B, C, and D. So P is associated with A. Similarly, Q is associated with B. R is D. And a relation, we have to put a relation R, is given R4. So right here R4. This is another way. Okay, if there is anything asked, you can ask. You can unmute your mobile or laptop. With this Oppo A7, Oppo A71K, please speak. Who is Oppo A71K?
यार एक कनेक्शन काय कर देता
Who is this Oppo A71K? Your name, please.
अभिजीत मिश्रा
Abhijit Mishra. Are you new student?
यस सर
Abhijit Mishra. How did you get the link?
विथ द निखिल सर
Nikhil sir, Abhijit Mishra. Class 8. Okay. Write your full name, right, from tomorrow. So is there anything to ask anyone?
नो सर
Any other?
No, sir. No, sir.
11 number.
Similarly,
Same.
7. Yes. Don't touch the mobile. So 11 number here. From the following representation of relations, express them by the set of order pairs. 11A number. Here is given represent it in the set of order pairs. Represent the relation. Suppose that this is a relation R1. R1 is a relation, and we can express it in the set of order pairs. Like R1 equals to the set of order pairs. Here is 1. So 1A we can write. 2B we can write. 2B. Similarly 3 is given. So 3C we can do. 3 and C. 1 is associated with A. So 1A. 2 is associated with B. This is 2B. 3 is associated with C. So this is 3C. And this is the set of order pairs. So in this way, we have to represent the question number 11. Similarly, 11B number also same is given there. 11B. C number. Here you can see Ram, Sita, Ravan, Mandodari, Krishna, Radhika, Shiva, Parvati. So you can make the same order here like this. In D number also, it is in table form. You have to write again in this form. E number is also same, F number is also same. Okay, so here in Z number also, this is the domain, this is the range C1, the Z number. (11G). By seeing the graph, okay, everyone is seeing the graph. By seeing the graph, we can write that the Z number, right? Relation, which relation is this? Relation 7. Relation 7 number, this is the 7th number relation, so R7, and this is equal to writing the set of order pairs. Just like here, the first point, this first point is, what is the coordinate of this first point, this black one? This is the 1, 2. So right here 1, 2. Similarly, the second one, this is the from origin, this is the 1, 2, 2 unit right side, 1 unit outside. That is the 2, 1, 2, 1. Similarly, the third one is 1, 2, 3 right side and 3 outside. So 3, 3, 3, 3. The fourth one is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2. The 4, 2. The order here 4, 2. The last one is given. So you can count from here. You might be seeing the graph in your screen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5, 4. 5, 4. Bracket. The last also. So in this way, you can do S and I number also. Okay. Is there anything to ask?
So I can't see the last one. 11G.
Now,
Okay.
Mute your mic.
so is there anything? Okay, so if there is no any problem, then let's see the last one. Here, the 12 number, last 12 number that is given. Find the inverse of the following relation. Find the inverse of the following relation. Okay, question number 12, you can see. A number, there is given, find the inverse of the following relation. The first one is given R1, the first relation R1 equals to 1A, 2B, 1A, 2B, 3C, and 4D. You can find inverse of R1, that is your R1 to inverse. This is the sign of inverse, R inverse. R1 is first relation को inverse relation, power में -1 गर्ने. Find कसरी गर्ने भने inverse relation means, inverse relation भनेको the changing of x component to y component and y component to x component is known as the inverse relation. त्यो भनेको के भने 1 र a जुन दिएको छ त्यसलाई a1 बनाइदियो, 1 लाई पछाडी a लाई अगाडि. So a1 2b दिएको छ, यो 2b लाई you can do b2, 3c जुन दिएको छ 3c you can do c3, the 4d जुन दिएको छ you can do d4, like this. 12 last number, d number, 12 d number, that is given the R4 here. The fourth relation R4 is given 28, 37, 37, 464, 464 and 5, 125. 5, 125. Then find is inverse of R4, relation 4 को inverse, that is R4 को inverse. This is the sign of inverse, power में -1 गर्ने, and it will be 28 changed into 82, 37 changed into 73, 464 changed into 64 and 4, 5, 125 changed into 125 and
Excuse me, sir.
yes. In this way you can do. Switch on your video, everyone. Switch on your video.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Switch on your video, I said. एस आदित्य कलवार, अमृता महतो, प्रकाश यादव and Khushi Gupta. Switch on your video fast. Amrita Mahto, you are only left. Khushi Gupta also. Khushi Gupta, switch on your video, everyone. What happened? Amrita Mahto. So this was the last 12 number, our last question रहे with you. भोलि देखि हामी फंक्शन च्याप्टर सुरु गर्छौं. यहाँसम्मको वर्क सबजनाले कम्पलसरी कम्प्लिट गर्ने र मेरो व्हाट्सएपमा व्हाट्सएप गरिदिने. द न्यू युजर आफ्नो होमवर्क्सहरु कम्प्लिट गर्ने र यो नम्बरमा व्हाट्सएप नम्बर मेरो हो, यो नम्बरमा होमवर्कहरु सबमिट गर्न सक्छु.
सर म मेसेज गरेँ तपाईं रिप्लाई नै गर्नु भएन.
प्लिज पुष्टि गुप्ता.
हो
ओके, यो कन्टिन्यू म हेर्छु है, रातितिर म हेर्ने गर्छु. होमवर्कहरु म रातिमा हेर्छु. क्लास हाम्रो इन्ड हुन गइरहेछ. Have a good day everyone. होमवर्क कम्प्लिट गर्ने र भोलि फेरि सेम टाइममा आफ्नो उपस्थिति जनाउने.